guys at welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Sa mga bago pa lang nakakapanood ng video natin, disclaimer lang guys, hindi ako agent, consultant or employee ng agency. Isa lamang din akong hamak na aplikante gaya nyo, naglalakad at nag-a-apply sa mga agency pa Japan at Taiwan. Update ko kayo sa mga latest job hiring ng jobstreet.com.ph papuntang Japan. First, punta kayo sa Google Chrome. Type nyo POEA Jobs in Japan. Then, may lalabas na bagong link. May kita nyo dyan yung agency, position, at kung anong date na approve or inilabas ng jobstreet.com.ph. Pag naklik nyo yung link na yon, may lalabas na mga hiring jobs like food processing, construction worker, automobile repair and maintenance, reinforcing bar and construction, welder, metal and press worker, software engineer, sewing, construction management and design engineer, factory worker for food processing. Di ko na guys sinama yung job hiring ng Chartered Prime Recruitment Specialist. Sila ay nag-a-accept lang ng walking applicant. Umpisahan na natin guys. Factory worker, food processing yata to. Under ng Mission Way Manpower Services Incorporation, posted on May 14, 2021. Ang job description nila, candidate must possess at least a high school diploma. At least 1 year working experience in the related field is required for this position. Will work in meat processing department. Will work in hot dog sausage processing. Will work in meat cutting department. Must be first time to go to Japan. Applicant must be willing to work in Tonamishi, Toyama Prefecture. 100 full-time position ang available. Ang dami nito guys, kaya apply na kayo. Then makikita nyo yung principal employer nyo at yung magiging agent nyo. Then andyan din yung address ng company na pagtatrabahuhan nyo. Then may additional information sila, job specialization, job company overview, and additional company information. Nakikita nyo dyan yung POEA license number nila, construction, management, and design engineers. Under ng Prime World Manpower Agency Incorporation, posted May 17, 2021. Ito naman ang job description nila. Construction engineering management involves the applicant of technical scientific knowledge to infrastructure construction project. Construction engineering management blends engineering with the construction management, which is connected with overseeing the actual construction. Construction engineering managers are key players that bridge element of design and management to help us push construction projects over the finish line to their success completion. Then may qualification din sila. Candidate must possess at least a bachelor college degree, engineering, civil or equivalent. At least 2 years of working experience in the related field is required for this position. Applicant must have N4 certificate. Applicant must be willing to work in Orayashu-shi, Chiba Prefecture. 3 full-time available position. Then makikita nyo sa baba yung principal employer at yung magiging agent nyo sa Japan. Then yung additional information ulit, company overview, and makikita nyo yung additional company information na naka-indicate yung POEA license number nila. Guys, sa mga first timer na mag-a-apply, dapat lagi nyo chine-check yung POEA license number ng agency ina-applyan nyo. Sewing, WA Human Resource Corporation, posted on May 17, 2021. Ang job description nila, assemble garment parts and joint parts with basting stitches using needles and thread of sewing mach, fit, alter, repair and make made-do measuring clothing according to customer's clothing manufacture, measure customer using tape measure and record measurements. And ang qualification naman nila, candidate must possess at least a high school diploma, at least 2 years of working experience in the related field is required for this position. Willing to study pre-Nihongo class for 2 months. Oy, libre yung Nihongo nyo dito guys. Applicant must be willing to work in Akita Prefecture. 15 full-time available position. Ang dami nito guys. Libre yung Nihongo nyo. Apply na kayo dito. Sa baba, makikita nyo yung principal employer nyo and yung agent na hahawak sa inyo. Then yung additional information, company overview, then additional company information. Makikita nyo din yung license number nila. Legit na legit sila guys kasi may POEA license number. Check nyo lagi yan pag mag-a-apply kayo guys. Software Engineer under ng HRD Employment Consultant and Multi-Services Incorporation. Posted noong May 18, 2021. Job description must be possessed at least bachelor degree, computer science, information technology, or equivalent, at least 2 years working related experience in the position applying, willing to train Japanese language. Applicant must be willing to work in Osaka. 30 available full-time position. Ang dami nito guys. Apply na guys. Makikita nyo sa baba yung principal employer nyo, principal address nyo. Then, yung additional information ulit, yung check nyo lagi yung career level, 1 to 4 years experience employee, qualification, bachelor degree, years of experience, 2 years. Then, job nyo is full-time. Yung job specialization is more on computer, information technology, IT software. Bali, dyan umiikot yung trabaho nyo guys. Then, ito yung company overview nila. Additional company information. Lagi yung titignan guys, yung POEA license number ng agency. Welder, metal press worker, under ng Uniplan Overseas Employment Incorporation. Posted on May 20, 2021. Ang job description nila, candidate must possess at least a high school diploma, vocational diploma, short courses certificate engineering, metal fabrication, tool and die welding or equivalent. At least 3 years working experience in the related field is required for this position. Ex-trainees or previous work in Japan for 3 years. Guys, pwede pala yung mga ex-trainee na Japan basta pasok kayo sa qualification nila at sa position a-applyan nyo. Kaso may exam pala. N4 passer or with skill test certificate. Kailangan nyo mag-exam ng JLPT guys. Knowledge in different types of welding with experience in metal press welding process. Applicant must be willing to work in Iwate Prefecture. 10 full-time available position. Then yung principal employer nyo, principal employer address nakalagay din dyan. Additional information ulit, check nyo dyan guys. Company overview, additional company information, registration number, POEA number, andyan may kita nyo kaya legit yung agency guys. Apply na kayo dito guys. Reinforcing Bar Construction, Prudential Employment Agency Incorporation, posted on May 31, 2021. Job description, reinforcing bar construction, handling of tools and machines, reinforcing bar construction, map reading work of drawing, basic processing bar arrangement drawing, reinforcing bar processing work, cutting, bending, etc. Do it as necessary. Assembling work of reinforcing bar, handling processing. Then yung qualification nila, candidate must possess at least a high school diploma, at least 1 year working experience in the related field if you are applying for. Willing to undergo Nihongo training. Di ko lang sure guys kung ilang months kayo mag-aaral ng Nihongo. Applicant must be willing to work in Chiba Prefecture. 3 full-time available position. Then yung principal employer nyo ulit, principal address, additional information, company overview, additional information, registration number, POEA license number nila, may kita nyo dyan guys. Dapat laging chine-check yan ha. Huwag nyo kakalimutan guys. Automobile Repair and Maintenance under ng Prudential Employment Agency Incorporation. Posted on May 31, 2021. Job description, automobile inspection and maintenance work, automobile inspection of each equipment, good or bad judgment, or periodic inspection items and supplementary work based on that steering device, brake unit, traveling equipment, suspension device, power transmission, electrical device, engine device, exhaust gas divergence prevention device, and accessories equipment. Then may qualification din sila. Candidate must possess at least a high school diploma. At least 1 year of working experience in the related field is required for this position. Must be a holder of valid passport, willing to undergo Nihongo training. Applicant must be willing to work in Naigita, Shi. 8 full-time available position. Then may kita nyo sa baba yung principal employer nyo, yung address nila na pagtatrabahuan nyo sa Japan, and additional information ulit, company overview, then check nyo yung POE license number. Pwede kayong mag-apply online. Search nyo yung Facebook page nila, then hanapin nyo yung email address kung saan pwede kayong mag-email sa kanila ng resume at yung other requirements na hinihingi nila. I-check nyo din sa Facebook page nila kung nag-accept ba sila ng walk-in or online application para hindi sayang yung pagpunta nyo in case na mag-apply kayo. Then, additional lang guys, sa Facebook page nila is may mga qualification pa sila na wala dito sa jobstreet.com.ph tulad ng bawal may tattoo, age limit, height and weight required, late registered, at kung pwede ba yung ASL graduate. Kaya much better lagi na visit nyo yung Facebook page nila for more information na wala sa Google or ibang website. Tip lang guys, sa mga first timer na mag-a-abroad dyan, lagi nyo hanapin yung POEA license number ng mga agency na a-applyan nyo. At i-check nyo kung active pa ba ito or expired na. Di ko sure kung ilang years bago nila ulit i-renew ng agency yung POEA license number nila. Masisearch nyo yan sa mismong website ng POEA para hindi kayo ma-scam at maloko. Sabi nga nila, pag matalino ang matching, hindi naluloko ng mga taong matching. Huwag nyo sayangin yung oras at panahon nyo sa mga taong peperahan lang kayo. Once na may manghingi agad ng pera sa inyo, yun ay scam. Kaya ingat-ingat lang guys, and that's all. A-update ko ulit kayo sa mga bagong update na mga hiring papuntang Japan. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please like and share sa mga friends mo na gusto ding mag-abroad. At kung sakaling nakatulong sa inyo itong video na ito, please click na din yung subscribe, then click the bell icon para updated ka sa next vlog. Feel free to leave a comment down below para sa mga tanong nyo at suggestion para mapag-usapan din natin. Tune in lang lagi guys. Thanks and keep safe. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!